In this tutorial, we have an application problem using an inequality that has either less than or equal to. Let's read the problem. Blake has budgeted an average of $85 a month for entertainment. The first 3 months of the year, he spent $89, $85, and $78. How much can he spend in the fourth month without exceeding his average budget? First, we know that his average is $85 a month, and they give us the amount that he spent the first 3 months. So what is it we're looking for? The problem asks, how much can he spend in the fourth month without exceeding the budget? So let's let X represent the amount spent in the fourth month. We know that when we average something, we always add the items together and then divide by the number of items. Well, we don't know the amount spent in the fourth month, but we do for the first 3. So if we add all 4 together and divide by 4, that would be the average. So here we have our average, which are the 4 amounts added together divided by 4. And we know that this cannot exceed the budget. If it cannot exceed the budget, that means it would have to either be equal to the budget or less than the budget, which makes this an inequality. The problem states the average cannot exceed the budget, and that means it either has to be equal or less than the budget, and the budget is $85 per month. So this is how we set up our inequality. Now let's solve. First, let's add our 3 numbers together in the first part of the inequality. Next, let's clear our fraction by multiplying each term of the inequality by our common denominator 4. Here I've put 4 over 1 because I'm multiplying it by a fraction. The common denominator here was 4, and multiplying by that makes this cancel and give us 1. So we have 252 plus x. On the right, when we multiply 85 times 4, we get 340. Now we want to isolate x, so let's subtract 252 from each side. This results in x, the amount spent in the fourth month, will have to be either equal or less than $88. So we can also check this by doing the average. Let's put 88 in place of x in our original inequality. This gives us 340 divided by 4. Now let's divide. You can see that this makes the 2 sides equal. So our fourth month would have to be either $88 or anything less than that will be under budget, but $88 will bring it exactly to the budget. This confirms that the amount spent in the fourth month would have to be either less than or equal to $88.